Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Serrano, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a robot vacuum cleaner from a company called Yonder, and we're going to be taking a look at all of the features as well as what makes this an ideal pickup for your home cleaning. But make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new, but if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, when it comes to the price of this robot vacuum cleaner, it's going to be $199, but they have a special promotion where it's $159, but you can actually get a $30 coupon off at checkout, making it $120. And so what's really cool about this one is it has a feature which gives you direct suction, so there's no need to clear tangled brush rolls or replace them because there's no need for a roller on here. So it's going to be, you know, that direct suction versus having to, you know, replace the roller, which is going to be saving you an extra expense. But they do give you everything that you need: the remote controller, a spare set of brushes, the batteries for the remote as well, and you also do get the charging base in here, so you can have all the accessories that you need. And then you can lift this up and you easily can replace the filter in here or clean it, giving you easy access to actually clean this out. And so you have a couple of different modes on here. You have the auto mode, which will clean your entire home till the battery is lower than 10%, and then it'll return back to the charging base as well. And you also do have your remote control option, so you can easily control it depending on where you want it to go. You actually have a quiet cleaning feature on here, which ensures only 55 dBs, which won't disturb your sleep, you know, or, you know, if you're on a conference call or something, you can still clean with that playing in the background. And then you have the two different options to charge it on the charging base or the direct charging on the actual, you know, robot vacuum. Another thing that's pretty cool is you also do have the ability to use your voice with Alexa or Google to interact with the robot vacuum. So you can just say, you know, the magic word and then turn on R1, and so that'll basically control the vacuum or stop R1. And so basically this thing is pretty much gonna be able to run with your smart devices with the smart application. And so the R1 does its best with the Bounce Tech navigation system to maneuver through all obstacles, but every now and then there will be obstacles that it can't conquer. And so to get the Smart Life application on here, all I did was scan my phone on the QR code reader inside of the user manual, and I was able to get that application going. And then basically I could see that it did want me to connect the robot vacuum by long pressing both buttons at the same time to activate the Wi-Fi function to connect the R1 to the Smart Life application. And so this robot vacuum does have the ability to clean hardwood floors as well as carpets, and so it features a swing arm wheel and the ability to climb 0.6 inches, so the R1 can smoothly travel around carpets and clean the entire area effectively. And so you're going to notice that through the Smart Life application you can control the various modes like auto cleaning, edge cleaning. Also, you're going to be able to get this thing going for about 1 hour and 40 minutes runtime with the 4,400 milliamp per hour battery, which is going to allow you to cover about 1,500 square feet. The R1 utilizes a multi-filtration for cleaner air, which is going to give you the primary filter, the sponge, the HEPA filter to ensure effective filtration, providing clean air for you and your loved ones. So whether you have a pet in your house and you're trying to clean up the, you know, excess hair or debris, or maybe you might have long hair and you're just trying to clean that up around the house, the 600 milliliter large dustbin is going to give you the ability to collect all of that shedding, and it's going to basically be effortless because you can actually wash the dustbin and the HEPA, and it's going to be a very optimal cleaning performance, which is going to be pretty cool when it comes to using this thing. So it definitely gives you a solid runtime. I definitely like the fact that you have the voice control over this. It's got the quiet cleaning, so it's gonna give you the ability to use it in times when you're sleeping, or maybe just on a voice chat or something like that, or while the TV's running, you can still focus on what you're doing. But it also does give you easy access to the smart app, which allows you to use this thing with app control, voice control, button control, and it has everything that you need when it comes to keeping your house manageable, especially when you're in a area where there's a lot of pets or kids playing and you just want to clean up extra debris around the house. So while the Yonder R1 did face some difficult obstacles in the house, it definitely did a decent and thorough job cleaning my entire home, and I could definitely say I was able to utilize the Smart Life app and get the most out of this thing. But let me know what you guys think about the Yonder R1. If you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew.